Feeling weighed down by high-interest student loans? Refinancing with SoFi could be a powerful way to lower your monthly payment or pay less over time. But if the process seems daunting, you're not alone. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's demystify it. Refinancing replaces your existing loans with a new, single loan at a potentially lower interest rate. The initial steps are all about checking your options without any commitment. First, you'll need some key documents: a pay stub or other proof of income, your social security number, and the statements for the loans you want to refinance. Head to the SoFi website or app and find the student loan refinancing section. You'll start with a pre-qualification to see what rates you qualify for. This is a soft credit check that won't affect your score. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: compare the total cost, not just the monthly payment. A longer loan term might give you a lower monthly payment, but you could pay more in interest over the life of the loan. Always run the numbers for both short and long terms. So, just like that, you're equipped to explore refinancing with confidence. A little research can lead to significant savings. Are you looking to refinance for a lower payment, or to get rid of your loans faster? Let me know your goal down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.